हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हो आप सब। आई होप आप सब बहुत अच्छे होंगे। तो बच्चों, आज हम लर्न करेंगे व्हीकल्स नेम। तो चलो बच्चों, हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फर्स्ट वन इज लैंड व्हीकल्स, जो जमीन पे चलते हैं। तो the first one is car, and the spelling of car is C-A-R, car. The next one is van. What is the spelling of van? V-A-N, van. Now the third one is SUV. Okay, bacho, this is a type of car. And this one is bus. And the spelling of bus is B-U-S, bus. And what is this? This is a truck. Spell the spelling of truck, T-R-U-C-K, truck. All these are land vehicles. Okay, bacho. Now repeat. Car, van, SUV, bus and truck. Now the next one is land vehicles. This is also land vehicles. Okay बच्चों, जो ज़मीन पे चलते हैं. The first one is motorcycle. Spell the spelling of motorcycle. M-O-T-O-R-C-Y-C-L-E, motorcycle. And the next one is bicycle. What is the spelling of bicycle? B-I-C-Y-C-L-E, bicycle. The next one is scooter. Spell the spelling of scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R, scooter. The next one is pram. Spell the spelling of pram. P-R-A-M, pram. The next one is unicycle. Spell the spelling of unicycle. U-N-I-C-Y-C-L-E, unicycle. The next one is tricycle. T-R-I-C-Y-C-L-E, tricycle. Now the next is land vehicles, which is train. Trains. These are trains. Now first one is metro. Spelling of metro is M-E-T-R-O, metro. The next one is train. T-R-A-I-N, train. And the last one is monorail. This is monorail. M-O-N-O-R-A-I-L, monorail. Now the next one is water vehicles, जो कि water में चलते हैं. The first one is hovercraft. Spelling of hovercraft is H-O-V-E-R-C-R-A-F-T. Hovercraft. The next one is yacht. Yacht spelling is Y-A-C-H-T, yacht. Now next one is motorboat. This one is motorboat. Spell the spelling of motorboat. M-O-T-O-R-B-O-A-T, boat. Motorboat. The next one is submarine. Submarine spelling is S-U-B-M-A-R-I-N-E, submarine. And this one is ship. S-H-I-P, ship. All these are water vehicles. Now next one is air vehicles, जो कि हवा में चलते हैं, हवा में उड़ते हैं. And the air vehicles, first is aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. The second one is hot air balloon. H-O balloon, balloon, hot air balloon. Next one is fighter plane. Fighter, plane, fighter plane. The next one is glider. This one is glider. Glider, glider. Next one is helicopter. This is helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. And this one is space shuttle. SPACESHUTTLE, space shuttle. Now these are air vehicles. Now next one is land vehicles. Again these are land vehicles drawn by animals. ओके बच्चों, वो लैंड व्हीकल्स जो कि चलाए जाते हैं एनिमल्स के थ्रू, वो होते हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज हॉर्स कार्ट. ये हमारे हॉर्स कार्ट है जो कि हॉर्स के थ्रू चलाए जाते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड हॉर्स कार्ट. HORSE, हॉर्स. CART, cart, horse cart. And the next one is bullock cart. This one is bullock cart. Now spell BULLOCK, block, bullock cart, CART, cart. Now next one is camel cart. CAMEL, camel. CART, camel cart. This one is camel cart. Now next one is special vehicles. These vehicles are special. So now first one is combine harvester. Now spell COMBINE, combine. HARVESTER, harvester, combine harvester. Now this one is bulldozer. Now spell BULLDOZER. This one is bulldozer. Now this one is excavator. Now spell EXCAVATOR, excavator. The last one is also a special vehicles, which is ambulance. This one is ambulance. AMBULANCE, ambulance. Now which is this? This is concrete mixer. CONCRETEMIXER, concrete mixer. Now this one is cable car. Spell CABLECAR, cable car. This one is fire engine. FIREENGINE, fire engine. And this one is police car. POLICECAR, police car. Now these are vehicles. So बच्चों, आज हमने लर्न किए vehicles नेम. तो चलो बच्चों, मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में नेक्स्ट टॉपिक के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, टेक केयर.